There are 8 egg cartons. There are 10 eggs in each carton. How many eggs are there in all? Eight times 10 equals 80. There are 80 eggs in all. There are 7 bundles of sticks. There are 10 sticks in each bundle. Seven groups of 10. 7 times 10 equals 70. Let's learn the 10 times tables. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100.
Don't forget to subscribe.